Imagine this. You've been working hard, doing everything right, yet somehow you're still stuck in debt, weighed down by bad luck, and no matter how much you save, your financial situation never seems to improve. Most people will tell you that the solution is just to work harder. But what if the real problem isn't just your effort? What if your struggles are being fueled by the negative energy in your environment? Today, we're going to explore a simple, ancient practice that can help you release this energy and open the doors to prosperity, starting with your toilet. Welcome to this transformative journey where we take a deeper look at how the energy in your home could be affecting your life in ways you've never considered. In today's video, we'll explore a powerful ritual that involves clearing negative energy from your space, specifically from your toilet. Yes, the toilet is more than just a mundane object in your home. It's where waste leaves your life, and it's also a space that can trap energy, blocking your path to abundance and success. This ritual draws on ancient Buddhist teachings, spiritual practices, and even modern science to help you release the energetic blockages that could be keeping you stuck in cycles of debt, poverty, and bad luck. I know this may sound strange at first, but stay with me because what I'm about to share has helped countless people find peace, financial freedom, and a fresh start. Together, we'll explore why this works, how it aligns with deep spiritual wisdom, and how you can easily incorporate it into your life. Let's start by looking at why so many of us find ourselves in a constant battle with financial challenges, no matter how much effort we put in. Have you ever noticed that, despite working harder or cutting back on expenses, you're still swimming in debt or struggling with bad luck? It feels like the harder you try, the more you're stuck. And at some point, it's easy to start believing that this is just your fate. But what if that's not the whole story? Many people overlook a crucial element in their lives, the energy of their environment. In spiritual traditions, particularly Buddhism, it's understood that our outer world mirrors our inner world. The spaces we live in carry an energy that affects our thoughts, emotions, and even our financial state. If your home, especially your toilet, harbors negative energy, it can reinforce cycles of poverty, financial struggles, and bad luck. You may clean your house regularly, but how often do you cleanse the energy that flows through it? Now, why the toilet? Toilets are places of release. They're where physical waste leaves your home, but they're also a potent metaphor for flushing away negativity, blockages, and limiting beliefs. When left unchecked, this energy can accumulate, affecting your well-being and, yes, even your financial flow. So why does this work? How can flushing something down the toilet, paired with intention, have such a profound impact on your financial life? Let's dive deeper into the science and spiritual wisdom behind this practice. Buddhism teaches us that the mind is a powerful force. What you think, you become, as Buddha said. This isn't just a philosophical idea. It's the foundation for understanding how energy flows between our minds, our spaces, and the external world. The toilet, which symbolizes release, is where you let go of physical waste, but it also holds energetic significance. By intentionally releasing negativity here, you're inviting new, positive energy into your life. To understand this better, let's talk about Dr. Masaru Emoto's water experiments. Emoto was a Japanese researcher who became famous for his work on how human thoughts and emotions can affect the molecular structure of water. In his experiments, he exposed water to different words, sounds, and intentions. Water that was treated with positive words, like love and gratitude, formed beautiful, harmonious crystals when frozen. In contrast, water exposed to negative words, like hate or anger, created disorganized, chaotic structures. So, what does this mean for us? If something as simple as words or intentions can change the structure of water, imagine how the energy in your home or toilet can impact your life. Your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings are interconnected. When you flush negative energy away, combined with positive affirmations, you're not just cleaning your toilet, you're creating a space for harmony, abundance, and financial prosperity to flow into your life. But it's not just Emoto's work that supports this idea. Quantum physics tells us that everything in the universe is energy, vibrating at different frequencies. Our thoughts, feelings, and intentions emit specific vibrations, and these vibrations can influence the world around us. This principle is at the heart of the law of attraction, the idea that what you focus on expands. By releasing negative energy from your toilet, an often overlooked space where energy can stagnate, you're changing the vibrational frequency of your environment. In turn, this invites positive, high-vibration energy like wealth, luck, and success into your life. This aligns beautifully with Buddhist wisdom. Just as Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha, left behind his life of material luxury to find true peace and enlightenment, we too must let go of attachments, both physical and energetic, that hold us back. In Buddhism, true wealth is not measured by material possessions, but by inner peace and clarity. By using this ritual, you're not just seeking financial wealth, you're seeking balance, harmony, and a clear path forward. Now let's move into the ritual itself. This isn't just about throwing something into the toilet and hoping for the best. It's about setting a clear intention, releasing old energy, and inviting in new possibilities. Here's how you can perform this ritual in a way that is simple, yet deeply impactful. Start by cleaning your bathroom. This is a physical and energetic preparation. Pay special attention to the toilet. When the toilet is clean and the lid is kept closed, it prevents negative energy from circulating back into your home. Think of this as creating a sacred space for transformation. Next, light a green candle. Green, in spiritual traditions, is the color of wealth and prosperity. As the candle burns, visualize the light spreading warmth throughout your life, illuminating areas where you've felt financial strain or bad luck. Picture that light filling your heart and home with abundance. Now, take a clove of garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries across cultures as a protector against negative forces. In your dominant hand, hold the garlic and visualize it absorbing all the negative energy in your home, the doubts, the struggles, the debts. You can even write down the total amount of your debt on a piece of paper as a way to symbolically transfer that burden into the garlic. Sprinkle cinnamon onto the garlic. Cinnamon is known to attract prosperity and wealth. As you sprinkle it, affirm to yourself, "I am worthy of abundance. I release all that no longer serves me." Now drop the garlic into the toilet. As you watch it fall, visualize all your financial struggles swirling away, dissolving in the water. This act of release is powerful because it's not just about flushing physical waste. You're symbolically removing obstacles, allowing for new opportunities to flow into your life. Say out loud, "I release all negative energy, and prosperity flows to me now." As you flush the toilet, close your eyes for a moment and focus on the sound. That sound is more than just water. It's the release of old patterns, negativity, and energy blockages. Visualize a fresh start, one filled with opportunities, wealth, and peace. Finally, take a small mirror and hold it up to reflect the light of the green candle. The mirror symbolizes clarity and self-reflection. By reflecting the light of abundance, you're inviting prosperity to return to you. Gaze into the mirror and affirm, "I am open to receiving the wealth, health, and happiness the universe has in store for me." You'll be surprised how light you feel afterward. This isn't just a physical ritual, it's an energetic reset, a shift in both your environment and your mindset. The results of this ritual can be remarkable, especially if performed with genuine intention. Some people have reported that within days, financial opportunities appeared seemingly out of nowhere. Others have found that their bad luck was replaced with unexpected good fortune. This isn't magic. It's the power of energy, intention, and belief working together. By consistently performing this ritual, you can maintain a flow of positive energy in your life. This isn't a one-time fix. It's a practice that helps you stay aligned with abundance and financial prosperity. But remember, it's not just about the physical act of flushing garlic and cinnamon. It's your belief, your focus, and your commitment to releasing the old and welcoming the new that makes all the difference. And there you have it, a simple yet profound practice that combines ancient wisdom, scientific insights, and energetic cleansing. By pouring garlic and cinnamon into your toilet, you're symbolically and energetically releasing the blocks that have held you back from financial freedom, prosperity, and good fortune. Remember, this ritual is about more than just money. It's about letting go of old patterns and embracing a life of balance, peace, and abundance. Now, I encourage you to give this ritual a try and see how it shifts the energy in your life. What financial challenges are you ready to release? What new opportunities might arise once you clear out the negativity? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights like this. Also, leave a comment below. What changes do you want to invite into your life? Your thoughts and experiences could inspire others on their journey to financial freedom and abundance. And before you go, if you're curious about other ways to clear negative energy and invite prosperity, check out the next video. You won't want to miss the next step in transforming your life.